area here, and you put a motor in here or a pump or whatnot with electricity. We're gonna fix this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna put some cool stones in here, make it look sweet, resurface it with possibly S mortar, which is exterior concrete. Then I'll like cream it all over and get it how I want it. It might take 2 or 3 attempts, but once I get it all straight and I'll get the shape I want. I don't think I'm gonna do the whole seashell thing. I think I'm just gonna probably square it off, but let's watch. All right, so I found this fountain at a house I purchased in Lansing, Michigan, and I said, damn, that thing looks cool. So I took the main piece, which is the girl that I'm gonna show you right now, and then this is the bowl that was all cracked. I'm gonna flip it over, we're gonna fill it with cement, and we're gonna build it up and restore it and make it look sweet. Let's see what happens. And I'm also gonna lift up the slip. That way when water's splashing, it's going back in there and not getting and exiting. So I'm gonna build it up, probably make it a little bit different than it was. Let's do this. Right here, we're gonna put these into the bottom part so it looks really cool. We'll see what happens. I am mixing in some exterior mortar. All right, we got all the iridescent glass embedded into this. Looks real good.